Alright guys, today I want to show to you guys how to use Microsoft Excel for us to count data. First of all, you guys need to open your Microsoft Excel in your PC or your laptops and click on blank workbook and become like this. So today I'm going to count E06 students calorie intake per day. So in order for us to count the calorie intake of E06 students, we need to make table. So we need to write the title of the table, and I will going to merge this row and write the title is A06 students calorie intake per day, and you guys can insert all the data you guys have. Here I have made one table, and I have also list down some of the menu for breakfast, lunch and dinner and its amount of calorie. But before that, I want to share to you guys something. As you guys can see here, quantity. I will show you guys. First, we need to merge this. We write quantity. Alright. Usually, people will write 1, 2, 3, one by one until the number that they want. But there's a way for us to write it just in 1 second, which is we click on this on these 3 cells, and you guys can see here have small green balls. You guys click on it and drag it down just like that, so you guys can insert all the data you guys have. So now I want to show you guys how to use if formula. So I want to, here is the column for the menu and here is column for the calorie, and at the end of this we want to total up the calorie intake of each student. So now we want to use if formula to make if we want to use if formula to make sure to make the calorie, the amount of the calorie pop up here when we write specified menu, which is as example we write toast here and we pop up 69 here automatically. So we use if formula, which is we click on these cells and we write in this part, we put equal signs and we use if formula. So we write if open bracket and we click on this formula on this cell C6 equal to, then we need to insert one by one the name of the menu and the calorie. So we put quotation marks, toast, close quotation mark, close the quotation, and put comma and put the amount of calorie, which is 69, and comma, we put if again, open bracket, click on C6 cell again, equal to, and next is grapefruit. So we put quotation mark, we write grapefruit, put the quotation mark again, comma, and the calorie, the amount of calorie is 82. So we put quotation mark 82, close the quotation, enter. So and then you guys can see if we insert here, now I'm not insert all the menu because I want to show you guys how it works. So I just insert two, toast and grapefruit. So if we put toast here and enter, it becomes 69. And if I write grapefruit, enter, it becomes 82. So you need to do the same things for lunch and dinner. And here I have made one. It becomes like this. But we need to write one by one for each column, for each row, but it's a bit tiring for us, and there's a way also. Just same way like the quantity before, you click on it, guys can see the green box, you click on it and you drag it down and enter. Alright, so you guys can insert all the menu, such as, yeah, okay, I will copy and paste, I will paste here. So, oh, sorry, right, just like this. So, next, to total up all this calorie intake for each breakfast, lunch and dinner, we need to use some formula, just like this. I will show you guys how it works, how to write it. So you click on the total calorie column and you put equal signs and you write sum, 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 because we want to sum up all the calorie intake. So we put open bracket and we click on this because we want to sum up this and this. So we need to click on this cell, click on it, put plus signs, again click on this also, plus signs, and on this also, and close the bracket and enter. So it will sum up all this. Next, the right amount for each people or teenager to eat, to the total amount of calorie of for teenager to eat is 1,500. So we can, as you guys can see here, there are some students that exceed the amount, the right amount of calorie intake per day, which is 1,500. So we want to classify them into two class, which is the people who exceed the amount and the people who eat below 1,500 calorie. So we can in order for us to do that, we can drag it down or the total calorie. When we click on conditional formatting, when we click on highlight, okay, and greater than, if the when we insert the amount, if the amount of the total calorie is greater than 1,500, it will the box will fill with red color. So we okay, and here, and if the box turn into red, which is mean the student has exceed the 1,500 calorie per day. And again, we drag it down, click on conditional formatting again, highlights, less than, we put again 1,500. And if the students eat less than 1,500 calorie per day, the box will become green. So okay, so it's kind of like this. So that's how you can know the total calorie intake for each students per day, and you can classify them if they exceed or not exceed the right amount of calorie intake per day. So I think that's all from me, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.